In the last episode, we have completed the making of the blending of the lia or the lentil with the broken wheat. And if you want to make this and try this recipe at home, please follow the steps. We have finished showing this blending or the mixer grinder of all the lentil and the wheat, broken wheat. Now we'll be doing the green chili, mint and coriander stir fry in ghee. I've taken half tablespoon of ghee in a kadai and saute it for 5 minutes. Not only this one item, but we have to put all the three, mint and coriander as well, and saute it for 5 minutes. When this is done, you have to remove this in another plate so that it cools, and after cooling for after 10 minutes we'll blend it in a mixer grinder. So we'll put all the green chili, coriander and mint in mixer grinder with little water and grind it to a fine paste. Once done, the blending is done. Now we will remove in a small bowl. So this paste of mise en place is ready. Now we'll be doing the chicken. Cook the chicken with the brown onion, which is chicken has been marinated with turmeric powder and spicy red chili powder and salt, and we will fry in a kadai with little oil with the onion, not anything more. So we'll sear the surfaces so that all the surfaces is open, surfaces will be closed and the juices of the chicken will be inside. We will do it all over the sides without putting water. Once the surfaces are closed by searing, this step is for 15 minutes in a slow fire. Again we will put lid so that the water from inside the chicken will come out. You can see the oil is oozing out. In this stage we'll put jeera, cumin powder and coriander powder, 2 spoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, that is all measurement is half teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt 2 teaspoon, and ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, and stir it. And put water, half liter, so that the juices from the chicken comes out into the gravy, and this gravy will become the top gravy for the halim. And in this, after cooking for 5 minutes, we'll add the coriander and mint stems so that all the flavors from these stems also come into the water, and cook it in a slow fire for another 10 to 15 minutes so that chicken also gets cooked and the flavor of all the stems also come into the shorba or soup. This is basically shorba for Haleem. See how beautiful it is cooking. I'll again stir it so that The stem is inside the water, and all the juices, all the flavor comes into the water. I am checking for the seasoning. Seasoning looks to be good, and finish the cooking another 5 minutes. It will complete the total 15 minutes of cooking in water. That is very slow cooking. Once this is done, we'll switch off the gas and let it remain like this for another half an hour. Then we'll remove the lid and allow the shorba or the soup of the chicken to cool, and the chicken also to cool. Then we'll segregate the cooking, or the chicken will pull the chicken skin, will pull the chicken from the bone. This is all not boneless, this is with the bone. So with the bone, the soup will be so concentrated, so flavorful, with all the goodliness of the chicken will come into the bone. Now we'll strain the soup through this mesh and allowing it to cool completely. Once that's done, we'll remove the chicken in another small container and thrash all the stems in the garbage. You can see we have taken the chicken, whole chicken, into a small bowl. The chicken has been cooked with the skin of its reason, because the chicken has to be, the lot of fat goes in the halim. So chicken fat also will be used for the halim. We are not using any other animal fat. We are using the main ingredient of chicken as chicken fat for cooking the chicken halim. So this will give more beautiful flavor. We are pulling the chicken, keeping the skin separately, bone separately, and pulling the chicken. Once this is done, we will pinch the chicken. See, this is very important step. Pinching the chicken, threading the chicken, basically pinching or threading the chicken. This is important for making halim. In mutton halim also we do the threading of meat similarly. So this step is very important. Without this step, or we should not cut it in a chopping board. We have to thread the chicken similarly for all the pieces of boneless chicken after deboning the chicken. So once this is done, so this step is done. Now we'll make another mise en place of making brown onion. I have taken little oil, put enough onion for the halim. This brown onion to be cooked so that it becomes finally all golden color. Once this is done, we will remove in another plate. See, this brown onion is done, we'll remove it. And in the same oil I have put cashew nut, which is 20 gram of cashew nut, which will be used as garnish and inside the halim also. Once this become golden, we will remove it. See, this is done, so I am removing it. So my mise en place will do the checklist of the mise en place, what all is done. I have done broken wheat lentil paste, green chili, coriander, mint leaves, stir fry and paste. Brown onion is done. Chicken soup is ready for the shawarma on top. And lastly, we have to do the assembly in the next episode. Keep watching. See you in the next episode of Assembly Line. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel with other friend and family. See you in the next episode of Chicken Haleem.